No leader solves a problem without a map and a compass. But the most successful leaders leverage their team's skills and experiences to create a clear understanding of the landscape. They collectively build the best possible map, and then they navigate forward as a group. Collaborative problem solving is a superpower. That's especially true today. Problems are more complex and disruptive than ever. In fact, that's just the norm. What I've learned from 30 years as a design thinker is that the more clearly we can see problems as interconnected systems, the better we can chart a way forward. And because I've learned firsthand the power of deep and creative collaboration to tackle wicked problems, I feel compelled to share it. This just works. Picture this. You're at the front of the room with your team looking to you for leadership. What do? You create an environment where you guide them to see things clearly as they are. Not better, not worse. Then you help them picture what could be by visualizing a sharp, inspiring picture that's better than your current reality. And then you help them find a way forward, forging a clear path towards elegant solutions, your map and your compass. In this class, you'll learn to use questions to focus your team's attention and thinking. You'll learn how to make ideas visible and draw out the underlying structure of problems and solutions. And you'll turn collaboration into a team sport by creating clear, crisp tasks to advance your team's actions. These skills will forever change how you run meetings, how you map everyday business challenges, and how you work through the dilemmas and trade-offs of modern strategy. And because creative collaboration is actually fun, you'll also bring out the best in your team. Those who can do this well will thrive in the years ahead, and those who help others do this will be our most exceptional leaders.